Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another Lego Polybag, and for this one, it's Polybag 30300, and this is the Batman Tumbler. Now, if you enjoy this kind of video, you might want to think about subscribing and turning on notifications, because I'm planning on doing one of these videos a day for the foreseeable future. Also, if you like Swiss Army knives and pins and pocket type gadgets and that kind of stuff, I also do videos on those, so you might want to think about that as well. If you're interested in building along with me, I've included links in the description where you can find this particular set on Amazon and Bricklink. And also, I've included the brick set link for this particular set. Not to say set about 8 times in a row, but if you want just information about it, there's a link for that. There's also a link in the description to a Google spreadsheet that has information about past and future of the Polybag build-alongs. Really? That's how that fits? If you want more information. Alright. It really doesn't seem like that should fit the way it does, but I guess it does. Alright. So this goes in there, like so. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. I want to make sure I counted right. So we have a 10, 1 by 2. And then 2 of these go on here. 2 of these go on here. And then the front axle piece goes on top like so. Alright, so we got that. Let's slide this a little bit out of the way so we can see better. So next, what we got to do is you got to put on these little round things, little round pieces. 1, 2, and where are they hiding at? I'm gonna need this and this as well. 3, and where's number 4? Ah, there it is. There's number 4. I feel like these are pieces they usually gave you extras of. Like, well, we'll probably find out toward the end if there's any extras of this one. Because they always seem to give you extras of those little pieces like this. And then this one runs this way. Like so. Alright. So we got that. Got that and that. So next, we have this piece sitting right here, and then a 1 by 4 across there. I feel like there's going to be a 1 by 4 across here. Oh, there's not. Well, maybe there is, but alright. This goes here. Like so. So next we have this goes here. I was actually thinking this one was going to go right there, but it tricked me. So that goes there, and then this goes right here. And we got one more. Where's, oh, here it is, right in front of me. It's actually hiding. And this one goes right here. Alright, like so. Well, that did genuinely surprise me. I was not expecting that to go right there. So this goes on top of it, I guess. That goes there. And then we have these two We go here, right there, and right here, like so. Why are we using these if we're about to cover them up? That is curious. I don't know. Alright. So, take this, like so. And goes like this, and like this, and this one goes on this side, so it should look like that. It should look like this. So you have this part inexplicably uncovered. Maybe that'll make sense soon. And then we do the same thing on the other side with this piece and this piece, like so, and then another 1x2. Like that. And yeah. Alright, so that goes there. So let's secure those two. Make sure that one. And then we don't put anything over the top. This is just blank. It's empty space. Okay, so this goes over right here, like that. And then this goes right here, like so. And 1, 2. So we got those two. We got this one. We got this one. So this is the odd man out. So this one clips onto the back right here, like that. And then Alright, so that's on that stuff. We're sitting there like that. And then next, what we gotta do is the tile goes right here, like that. And then the piece that I'm not seeing, oh, here it is. Here's the piece that I wasn't seeing. This piece goes right here, like so. Alright. And then two wedge pieces, 2 cheese wedges. One here, and here's the other piece. It's hiding. And one right here, like that. So that takes care of that. Oh, I'm gonna put these two on the front. So, so this goes here, and this goes here, like so. And then the 2 cheese wedges go here. This one goes right here, and this one goes right here. We got those two, like that. Alright. So next, we put a pair of wings on the back, here, and here, so. And we put the little vent right there. We got that, we got that, we got that. We add these two on either side right there. So it takes care of these two. We flip it over and put this on the bottom. Alright, I'll buy it, but I mean, it lines up like right here. Put that on the bottom. We got that, we got that, we got that. Now, flip it back over. We have these little wing things. So the wings need to be lined up like so. So this is the first one, right there. And this is the other one. It's just going to be lined up on that side. So this will be right here. This goes on right here, like so. And we put some wheels on, I guess. Let's pop some wheels on. Wheel number 1, wheel number 2. And the small wheels, wheel number 1, and wheel number 2. Alright, so we're going to fold these back for a second so we can pop on the little wheels. Little wheel number 1, little wheel number 2. Now, we'll fold them so they're not quite touching them. Like that. And put the big wheels on the back. Like so. Alright, so these are our extra pieces, such as they were. And this is the tumbler. It actually looks kind of good. What do y'all think? Doesn't look too bad. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.